Hazrat Ali described about the favor as Izastiyat ilayka yadun faqa fiha bima yurabbi alayha. When someone does you a favor, reciprocate it more than that. Even in this case, the initiative will have the advantage. Man kasura ihsanuhu kasura khadimuhu wa awanuhu. He who has more favors has more attendants and helpers. He said, Man kaza ma aslafa minal ihsani fahuwa kamilul hurriyati. The one who repays the favor is a completely free man. Al-Marufo Sayyadatun. Goodness and benevolence are chieftainship. He mentioned, Ya Ahlal Marufi wal Ihsani la tamannu bi ihsanikum. O righteous and benevolent, don't display your kindness in a self-righteous and arrogant manner. فَإِنَّ الْإِحْسَانَ وَالْمَعْرُوفَ يُبْطِلُ قَبِيحَ الْإِمْتِنَانِ. Bad manifestation wears favor and goodness. Al-ihsanu ilal musii yastaslihul aduwa. Kindness to the wrongdoer reform the enemy. Wa asin tustariku. Do favor, you will make others as slaves. He further described Jamalul Ihsani Tarkul Imtinan. The beauty of favor isn't the manifestation of favor. Law ra'aytumul ihsana shakhsan la ra'aytumuhu shaklan jamila. If you see favor in a person's appearance, then you will find him in a beautiful appearance. He further said, Al-Ihsanu Gharizatul Akhyar. Kindness is a habit of noble people. Hearts can be ruled by favor. Favor is the elevation of superiority.